How to enable or disable scan QR codes in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and then open up the camera app. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. Then in camera settings, we go down and tap on scan QR codes. Tap on the toggle button to disable it or switch it on. Tap on it to switch it on. After that, tap on the back key to return back to your camera. Now when you want to scan a QR code, simply point your camera at the QR code. And depending on what your QR code does, it may offer you to go to a website. It may ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. So depending on the function of your QR code, right here, I can tap on a link. This will allow me to go directly to a website. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.